How to add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add back your Snapchat friends that you removed accidentally. Now, if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this and head over to your chats. Here you can see list of your chats, but if you head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen and scroll down and go to my friends, you can see all your friends here. Let's say you unfriended someone by mistake. Now, if you head over to the profile and tap on three dots on the top right corner of your screen and go to manage friendship here, if you tap on it, then your friend will be removed. But let's say I removed her by mistake here. The first thing you want to note is that there is no particular option that you can see your removed friend list. So the only way is that if you know your friend username, then what you want to do is head back, and here on the top of your beside your profile icon you can find the search option and search for the username. Here you can see I've got a profile here and you can add them back from here. Now if you don't have username, there is no any other option that you can add them back, but what you can do is head over to add friend option that you can see on the top of your screen, and here on quick add you might be able to find them, or if you have their contact number on your phone saved, then if you go to all contacts you will be able to find them here. So this way you can add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.